So this is an unboxing of the rubber ducky. So go ahead and cut that out. Okay. I've got one hand, so bear with me here. Got live animal with here. Here we go. Rubber ducky, where are you? I think it might be in here, but it's a heat pack. It must be a heat pack. And I think they're in here. So the little cup here. They're here. I can't really see them here, but oh, there they are. See one right there? Okay, so they're in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and take them out first, and then we'll see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's babies in there. Little tiny little babies there. See that? A couple of them in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Wow, they're so small. Very, very tiny. Look at that, they're so tiny. Rubber ducky. Wow, they're so cute. They're so small. Look at that. I was trying to roll over. Yeah, I got different size in here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this one's so small. It's okay. Oh no.